We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible, so when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, well, we have to show it to the world. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. As you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeeded in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.